So let's go on the ground then. Kunal continues to join us. Kunal, and I understand that many said that the kind of posturing, the kind of personality that an elected Prime Minister needs to have for a country as diverse, as big as India, that Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh at that point did not fit that perspective. But on the ground, with papers, with policies, he had also proven his mettle, whether it was 1995 or the Indo-US nuclear deal, and to maintain that stand. So do you think that's also bringing a perspective to the kind of political figures that we have seen? What do you think will be the legacy left behind your interactions of Dr. Manmohan Singh? And what is the situation on the ground? We must be expecting, of course, a long queue of all the leaders coming in.
Which I must say that the towering personality Dr. Singh was, definitely he will be remembered forever. And he has a different kind of persona altogether. Definitely we interact with several politicians, and most of the politicians, they are very flamboyant, they are very good orator. But Dr. Singh was a different, he had a different set of qualities in his personality. I will take you back to 2009. I was reporting during US-India nuclear deal, and those were very difficult time when even the left parties were not with the government. They are protesting against the government, and lots of people were saying that now the days of government were numbered. But in those scenarios, in those situations, Dr. Singh handled the situation very well, and not just handled the situation in 2009, but also he actually won the next election by even a bigger margin. Those were the credentials why even the country believed on Dr. Singh's credentials. So not just 1991's economic liberalization, which Dr. Singh and obviously P.V. Narasimha Rao brought to this country, but also several other instances when Dr. Singh proved that he has some mettle in his personality, despite he is not so vocal. I will show you some pictures here as well. This is the main gate from where all the dignitaries are expecting to visit in some time. Lots of security arrangements has been done. We are anticipating some movements in a few minutes from now. But obviously, those who actually the kind of thing the persona Singh had. So we are expecting Prime Minister, several other ministers as well. Congress party leaders will obviously come. They came here even during night when his mortal remains were brought from AIIMS. So it was a sudden death. So obviously even political fraternity is in shock. But definitely,
Kunal, about the timing of the last rites, about what precisely is expected, because then accordingly I think there will be, whether it's people or politicians, they'll be coming there. So any details about that?
See, till now there has not been any. They haven't revealed what will be the how will the day progress. In all likelihood, his mortal remains will be kept at Congress headquarters, which is just 300 to 400 meters from here. So that will be decided later on. That what will be the timings of the last rite, when will the last rite will be performed, what all will take place during the day, because even his family has to be taken into consideration what actually his family want. So all these things are still not very clear, but as the day will progress, as I am telling you that it's a late night development that his mortal remains brought to his residence, official residence, Sri Motilal Nehru Marg, just behind me. So during the day we will know that what will be the exact timings for the last rites, and even how the people will do last darshan, because lots of his fans, lots of common people will also want to do his last darshan. So all these things will be clear.
Stay on with me. Stay on with me.
I guess,
Kunal, so we'll be waiting for details. 92 years of age. Yeah. And remember that a child born in Gah, which is now in Pakistan, in the Punjab province, in 1932. Last rites to be held in the national capital, Delhi. That boy with the scars of partition went on to become India's Prime Minister twice. As much as that speaks about Dr. Manmohan Singh, that speaks about India as a democracy and as a modern nation also. Listen in now to what then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, in his last term in office, facing some scathing criticism as well, had to say.
It has been my general practice not to respond to motivated criticism directed personally at me. My general attitude has been हजारों जवाबों से अच्छी है मेरी खामोशी न जाने कितने सवालों की आबरू रखी. I honestly believe that history will be kinder to me than the contemporary media or for that matter the opposition parties in parliament.
आज एक शेर पूछ करके मैं आपसे जवाब पूछना चाहती हूँ. तू इधर उधर की ना बात कर, ये बता कि काफिला क्यों लूटा. तू इधर उधर की ना बात कर, ये बता कि काफिला क्यों लूटा. हमें रहजनों से गिरा नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का ख्याल है. तेरी रहबरी.
She is narrated in Urdu couplet. I would also do so and say, माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं हूँ मैं. माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं हूँ मैं. तू मेरा शौक तो देख, मेरा इंतजार देख.